2. Wait, I got in a little bit late, but it's cool. The fuck? One second. 64. Okay, so what I'm using right here is we took out the sell side, and then at 10 o'clock we got a run higher, shift the market structure, leaving a fair value gap, and 10 o'clock is the reversal hour. So since we were grabbing sell side all morning and we really haven't engaged any buy side, I want to see if we can run back up to the opening range at 9:30. Well, no, that's not right. The high, the highs that we left um during the opening range, which is up here. Cause I want to see us at least get up to consequent encroachment of this opening range gap possibly. So we could get above these highs, that'd be good type shit. That's why I'm targeting that buy side. Like basically the next proximity high to where we at right now would be here. So that's just what I'm gonna target. Why do my woman chart got this big ass gap? Mm. So with this fair value gap right here, I will allow it to trade into consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint of this fair value gap. But anything lower than that, I don't want to see that shit to get traded into. Bro, why do they keep making duplicates, bro? That shit don't make no damn sense. Just like what? I'm trying to put my damn stop loss in. We can get above this high right here. That'd be great. Boom, got above that high. We got down candles. That's going to be our order block. I want to see us stay above these two down candles right here. Because if we're trading higher and we're in a buy program going up to buy side, then I want to see down candles hold price. Since we traded above these two down candles, this is an order block. Now I want to see us stay above it. I can move my stop up. See, this shit is confusing. Like, what is this, bro? Fair value gap. I'll delete that. Make this gray. Boom. We see how we came in, we tapped the high end of that fair value gap and we started trading higher. That tells me that price is super bullish and wants to come hit this buy side target. The fact that we didn't even trade into at least down here into halfway point and we just tapped it, that's good confirmation. He said, I be thinking before I speak. Did trade into consequent encroachment of this fair value gap right here. Okay. If we could close above this fair value gap, this would be an inversion. I'd love to see that.
So if it were to hit that sell limit at the top, would the trade light automatically like stop?
Yeah, it would take me out the trade. That's like you'll take profit. I'm not gonna lie, I have to take one off here. Oh, no. off there. I don't even think you could partial.
Also, like when you set your limit, you're not even you can't even do partial profits as well.
Yeah, I could do partial. I would just have to like I can't do it like on my live account. It would just say like partial, then I could take out one. But since this is my funded, they be a little bit weird with this shit. So yeah, I have to do the shit like this. But I definitely want to take out one though. I ain't gonna cap. Just take me out. All right, cool. Then I'm only in one. I'm only in one risk free trade. Start me out. Start me out. You said I feel like I'm golden for my age. Alright, bro. This is where I be getting a little bit antsy at, bro, because I don't like being in trades for long ass times and shit. No, I'm lying. I'm not getting antsy. But it's anticipating 10:30. I want to see this buy side get ran before 10:30 because 10:30 will do something opposite. You remember I was telling you about 10:30 yesterday? So
Yeah.
since 10 o'clock made this move higher and the buy side is right here, this shit has to get hit before 10 o'clock. I mean, before 10:30. Like it has to. That's how this shit works. And if we don't get up here before 10:30, nigga, then we ain't gonna get up here at all until maybe after 10:30. I'm saying like around 10:50 or some shit. But since this move started at 10 o'clock, we should definitely get up here before 10 o'clock. I mean 10:30. I be walking on the cross road, these nigga phony. Pillow talking on hot. For me to OD. You said, moving my stop up. Well, damn, I can't. I don't even gotta stop for here. Why do it keep making two, bro? That don't make no damn sense, bro. If I had a fucking stop loss, all right, boom, I'm out to trade, done for the day. I was saying, done for the day type shit. Let me break this shit down for y'all boys real quick though. Let me break this shit down real quick. Going into the day, I'm saying y'all remember I was saying I was bearish, right? I wanted to see this low get taken out, which was these lows right here, right? Y'all following me? All right, so yeah, going into the day, I was bearish. I wanted to see these lows get taken out because that was the closest proximity liquidity that we was close to, and that's an easy ass target that we're obviously gonna run to. So boom, at no one minute chart. So the macro at 9:45 started this run lower down to the sell side. And I was telling y'all, if we are selling all morning and we haven't really engaged any buy side, 10 o'clock is going to be your reversal time type shit. So the fact that we took out the sell side and there was no more sell side to engage lower than this right here, lower than these lows, there wasn't no more sell side to engage. Let me show y'all a little bit better. Other than these lows right here, there was no other sell side to engage, really. So since there's no other sell side to engage, I want to see price engage buy side. But in order for us to engage buy side, I have to wait for the appropriate time and price action to do that. So boom, I'm waiting for 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is my reversal time. So 10 o'clock, I should have told y'all, boom, we got a nice candle displacement higher, left a fair value gap, and we made a shift in market structure. So when you got your this pattern, when we take out a low and then we run higher and take out a high, that's your manipulation. And then the run higher, taking out a high is going to be your shift in market structure. So after we taking out a high, then we automatically, what you want to do is automatically shift to buy side, because keep in mind, keep in your head, bro, if we're going down to sell side, then I don't want to see any highs broken. Also, if I'm in the macro and we run a obvious sell side liquidity, then I don't want to expect for us to run anymore, because price runs on liquidity, sell side to buy side to sell side, shit like that. So once we broke this high, we created a fair value gap. We traded into the fair value gap. That's where you automatically just, enter your trade, boom, because we got everything we needed before the fair value gap happened. We got a manipulation run down, taking out sell side. We got internal manipulation, taking out these lows right here. We got a run higher, taking out the short-term high, shifting market structure, and we left the fair value gap. And this is not no small ass fair value gap either. This is a big fair value gap. Also, I want you to notice too, when we traded into the fair value gap, we didn't even trade down to 50%. So when that happens, when we just trade into a fair value gap and just like tap it and don't trade down to like the lower end of it, that means that price is very bearish. I mean, very bullish and wants to get to where they want to get to quickly. Speed. I told you about that shit mad times. So we trade into the fair value gap. We trade higher. We come down, two down candles. I told y'all with these two down candles, I don't want to see price come back below it, because if I'm in an uptrend, I want down candles to hold price. So we traded above these down candles. Now I'm expecting price to stay above this low right here. All right. And then we trade into this sell side for value gap right here. So with this run, boom, we trade down into the sell side for value gap. And if you look at the quadrant point, this not really. I mean, this is important. I don't want to like confuse y'all by saying too much and shit though. But like, if you look at the quadrant points, every time I mark up a fair value gap, you will see 50%. Like this purple line right here is 50%, and this side in this fair value gap, 50% is right here. So we was consolidating around 50%, but then we made to a down candle, order block. We trade above those order blocks. We expect now those down candles to hold price. Now I don't want to see prices go below these down candles. But what I do want to see possibly is us come back down into it. Alright. So we made these two down candles. This candle traded down into it. It then traded higher, running the buy side. And all that was just like a time-based price run. So right here you got your 9:45 macro price run. Right here you have your 10 o'clock macro price run that I told you it want to hit before 10:30, because I guarantee you at 10:30 you will see another price run, or a little bit after 10:30.